the squeezing, the floppy bows, the coming undone, the double knotting, and the untying to get them off. So how do you really want to put your shoes on? Wouldn't it be great if there were no laces at all? I mean, nothing to get in the way. Well, this is what Zubits are like. When separated, Zubits eliminate 3 rows of laces, so there is a huge mouth opening to easily slide in. Then, just connect the magnets. And that's it.
Now go for a run.
Go to the playground.
Go to the gym.
Play some basketball. Zubits hold securely for most recreational activities. Zubits! But Zubits are not just for athletic sneakers. They are for your everyday casual shoes.
With Zubits, you have a clean-looking shoe. No ugly bows, and they'll never come undone.
Now, how do you really want to take your shoes off? Let's face it, most of us do what we are not supposed to do. We step on our heel and squeeze out of our shoes. This wears down the heel and leaves you with a knot to untie later. But with Zubits, stepping out of your shoes becomes the right way to do it. The magnets will split as you step out, and now your shoe is open and ready for the next time you want to slip in. Zubits are not ordinary magnets. They've been specially